Welcome back. Today we're at 964 South Quail Street in Norfolk, Virginia. Usually we take a look on the inside first. This is an unusual property. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, about 700 square feet. Built back in the 40s on a crawl space. We're going to start in the backyard. As you can see, we have a gas pack for heating and cooling. And as you can see, we have vegetation growing. Fenced yard. It's in a quiet little neighborhood. It's an ideal property for a first-time home buyer with some imagination and some funds to rehab it. It has recently been inhabited and is now vacant. This is an as-is, where-is sale. The seller will makes no representations of anything and will make no repairs. As you saw in the very beginning of the video, across the street we have a couple of brand new homes. Directly across the street we have actually the same house that's been rehabbed. There's still items inside the house and they will be removed tomorrow. So if you're watching the video and then you're planning on visiting the property, please note that the railing is a little loose. Again, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. We have hardwood floors. And if this is typical for this era, the hardwood goes everywhere, possibly even into the kitchen. We have some ceiling damage from a past roof leak. That roof was updated a while ago. One of the bedrooms. Single bath right here. It's a Jack and Jill bath. Again, more hardwood. And then we walk right into the kitchen. It says laminate flooring. It's an eat-in type kitchen. Laundry's in the kitchen, which is actually rather typical for Norfolk. Cabinets look like they were updated somewhere in the past decade. Has a dishwasher. I'd put stackables in there perhaps. And since it has a gas pack, this is probably a chimney that can be removed. Alright, if you're interested, contact your realtor and let's see what we can do. Thanks.